Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we will talk about GA4 setup with our infinite Google Ads tracking and GTM app. You just have to click on the setting icon. Down there, you will see the measurement ID. For getting this, you have to move to your Google Analytics account. So here, click on home and down there you will see admin. So here you will see data collections and modification, then data stream. You can also see this data stream in the right side as well. You just have to add your domain. I have already added mine and just copy the measurement ID and paste it in the app. Move to app page and paste it over here and save. You can also see this. It says the GA4 setup is underway and it will be completed in approximately 2 to 3 minutes. So we have to wait. Let me check my tag manager account. Here you can see 6 tags, 4 triggers and 23 variables are here, and this is variant 2. Click on it. Let me show you all the tags and variant changes, and everything will be related to Google Ads. You can see these conversions are related to Google Ads and it will be created with GA4 setup as well. So I'm back after a while. So variant 3 is live. You can see 14 tags, 8 triggers and 34 variables are here. Let me open it. There must be some new events related to e-commerce and GA4. You can see add to cart, purchase, search, view cart. These events are related to GA4. And same is the case with the tags and triggers. So data layer is also created. Let me preview it. You can preview it either any of these two ways. Click on preview. Add your store URL. So open any product. Tag assistant is connected. Click on continue. GA4 view item is fired. Let me perform some more activities in the store. Add to cart. Click on view cart. Let's check. Yes, view cart is also fired and add to cart is also here. So let me make a test purchase. Let me check purchase event is tracked or not. Yes, GA4 purchase event is tracked. So it's here. Let's move to Google Analytics and check the reports. Real time. Here you can see page view, add to cart, begin checkout, and purchase event is also here along with all the parameters. You can see it. I hope you have got the idea how can you set up GA4 within our app, Google Ads tracking and GTM. I hope you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.